Hello everyone, I'm Sai and welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video to do the another benchmark comparison between the iQOO Z3 versus the POCO X3 Pro after the recent software update. Yes friends, I did update the iQOO Z3 just yesterday to the recent software update. Let me try to show you exactly what kind of version I'm trying to run. Even the POCO X3 Pro also updated to the MIUI 12.5.3. As you can see, I did upgrade to the MIUI 12.5, and let's see what will be the another benchmark score after these recent updates in both phones. I thought of doing in one single video, which might be helpful for a lot of other users. So this is the latest version which I'm trying to run in the iQOO Z3. So just yesterday only I did receive this kind of 1.76.6 version in the iQOO Z3 model. So in case if you have any other queries, so make sure to let me know in the comment section below, friends. So first thing is that let me to clear all the background applications. So there should not be any kind of background applications running. So let's see how much score we can actually expect between both phones after this kind of recent software update. So I'll try to explain even what is the score before and what is the score now. So then we'll be able to compare between both phones. So first, let me try to start the another benchmark test in both phones. So both phones I did start at same time the another benchmark test, and let's say try to check the temperatures. 33.6, not bad. 33. My room temperature is pretty low. It's only 30 degrees. My room temperature. And POCO X3 Pro has got 33 only. So both phones are coming kind of close to each other, 34 degrees and 33 degrees only during this process of demonstration. As you can see, friends, exactly 34.4 degrees only. Let's see after the recent software update how much another benchmark score we can actually see the improvement. Now I'll tell you the exact things. So before update, the iQOO Z3 got score about 4,48,000 and 4,49,000 is a iQOO Z3 score, and POCO X3 Pro scored about 5,70,000 and 5,80,000. So this used to be the highest in the POCO X3 Pro. Yes, 5,80,000 and 5,70,000, and this one 4,48,000, 4,49,000. Somewhere around that the score used to be there before in this iQOO Z3. Let's see after this kind of two software updates, will the another benchmark performance got increased or decreased? That is what I'm going to check in this video. I'll try to compare screenshots with the before and now, so then we'll be able to judge it what is happening right now. So I'll be back after some time of continuously doing this kind of testing. So let's see what will happen after some time, how much temperature can it increase. And right now let's check the temperatures, which phone has got what type of temperatures. And 36.4 degrees you can see here, 36.4 in the iQOO Z3. In the POCO X3 Pro, 37 degrees, 37.6. So slightly 1 degree more than the iQOO Z3 we are trying to notice at this point. Little bit, yes, not much, but there's a little bit of difference is there, nothing much. So that's the one thing which I thought of just mentioning for you all in terms of the temperatures wise. So 36.4 and 37.2 degrees in the POCO X3 Pro in terms of the temperatures. So let's see, friends, what will happen with the overall result after some time. So then we'll be able to get to know which phone has got what type of results. And this is just after the software updates. So that is what I'm trying to mention, after the software updates only. So every time I get a software update, I'll get plenty of requests asking me to do this kind of another benchmark test. That is the reason I thought of doing this another benchmark test for some users, which might be kind of useful for them. So let's see how much score we can actually expect in this both phones. That's going to be really very interesting to see. So we got the results, friends, and finally the iQOO Z3 finished the test first, and POCO X3 also finished the test later. And let's compare the scores between both phones. As you can see, friends, the scores, so 5,66,000 versus 4,47,000, and the temperatures are slightly higher in the POCO X3 Pro. That's the one thing which I already mentioned for you all. So 1 degree slightly, little bit, 0.5 degree maybe higher, not much, maybe 0.5 degrees I think right now. So 0.5 degrees slightly higher in the POCO X3 Pro device, little bit. But let's compare the scores. So if you try to compare the both scores, so 1,26,000 versus 1,43,000. So 20,000 difference is there. And in terms of the GPU, 2 lakhs difference is there. Sorry, 1 lakh difference is there between both phones, as you can see, friends. So I think close to 85,000 kind of difference, 90,000 difference is there in the GPU. In the CPU, close to only 20,000, not much in the CPU only in the graphics. GPU only there is a lot of difference. And overall score is there's a difference of close to 1,20,000 difference is there with the scores, overall score. As you can see, obviously the Snapdragon 860 will be powerful, but you should know how much powerful it is. That is what my main motive of doing this video, so you'll get a clear idea. So which phone has got what type of performance level. So this is a quick review, friends. After the recent software update, the performance was able to remain exactly the same as well, close to same kind of performance. But POCO X3 Pro slightly decreased, I think, because before I used to get 5 lakhs, I think close to 5,80,000, somewhere around that. Now I'm getting 5,66,000. That's the one thing which I thought of just mentioning for you all. So thank you for watching this video, friends, and make sure to stay tuned for more interesting videos in the future. So in case if you have any other doubts regarding these both phones, so don't forget to comment below. And thank you for watching. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.